Hey, Jake with B&H, and today we're taking a look at the ultra bright and powerful super panel from Italian lighting company Lupo. This is the Superpanel Full Color 30 LED RGBWW light. The version we'll be looking at today is the hard version, meaning the front of the panel does not have a frosted or diffused covering, so you're getting the full output of the light. Without heavy diffusion, the light output will give you strong, hard shadows, hence the name hard. Alternatively, there is a soft version of the light, which comes with a diffusion panel over the light, giving you softer shadows and a wider spread of light. The super panel features an extremely high power output of 13,000 lux at 3.3 feet, which is significantly more powerful than most 1x1 LED panels on the market. The super panel utilizes 200 watts of power, which is 4 times as strong as Lupo's Action panel with 60 watts of output power. This amount of power on an LED panel allows you to push your creativity further and throw light even further. The super panel comes in daylight, tungsten, bicolor, and full color versions, but we'll be working with the full color model today. The light can be used in 3 color modes, including CCT mode, HSI mode, and RGBWW mode. The super panel also has built-in special effects and preset filters for dialing in specific looks. In CCT mode, you have temperature control from 2800 Kelvin all the way to 10,000 Kelvin. This gives you a wide range across the most commonly used color temperatures. There's also fine-tuned controlling of green and magenta hues to help you match lights with low CRI and TLCI ratings, such as an office or street light. The super panel boasts an impressive CRI of 96 and TLCI of 98, so you know you're getting extremely accurate color rendering. You can also dim the light from 0 up to 100%. In HSI mode, you can dial in any color you wish on a 360-degree color wheel. From there, you can control the intensity of color and how saturated it will appear. This mode is perfect for when you need a custom color for a fill or hair light quickly. You can switch into this mode and be up and running with the color of your choice in seconds. RGBWW color mode offers a different approach to color. This mode allows you to control each red, green, and warm light LED independently. With this type of pinpoint control, you can dial very specific color requirements to meet your exact needs. In this example, we're pushing our red LEDs all the way to their max output of 255. Other modes include a preset or filter mode that features a large library of gel simulated colors, and a special effects mode that includes useful effects such as police lights, strobe lights, television flicker, fireworks, and more. The panel features a narrow beam angle of just 40 degrees, which allows for a tighter spread of light and a more focused high output of power. This extremely high output gives the super panel a distinct advantage over other 1x1 panels. The back of the light features a bright and easy to navigate menu system. There are 3 control buttons and 3 knobs for fine-tune adjustments. There are DMX ports for chaining lights together on a grid and a USB port for firmware upgrades. There's even an option in the menu for fan control, so if your sound tech is picking up any fan noise, you can switch it off for silent passive heat dispersion. Additionally, a V-mount plate can be mounted to the back of the light for DC power when you're away from AC power. The light is robust and feels extremely durable and well built. It weighs in at 3.7 kilograms or roughly 8.2 pounds. There are also a range of accessories available for the super panel, including barn doors, diffusion softboxes, and bags, so you'll have plenty of options to shape your light as needed. Well, there you have it, a powerful 1x1 LED panel with any color you could want right at your fingertips. But what do you plan on making with the Lupo Superpanel Full Color 30? Let me know in the comments below. I'm Jake with B&H. Just keep rolling.